Hey everyone, Zoe here from the Design Order. Today I'm going to take you through and show you the differences between paid and non-paid Canva accounts so that you can choose what's the best for you.
Taking a look at the comparison slide here, we can pretty much run through all of the basics of what is and isn't included in the two different types of accounts. As you can see, the free account still has many great options with over 250,000 free templates, hundreds of different types of pre-made designs, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics, the ability to invite members to a team and collaborate and comment on designs in real time, as well as 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Things that aren't included within the free accounts are the ability to use folders to organize your designs, full access to Canva's brand kit, and full access to animation and photo effects, including the background remover tool. Looking at the paid plan, the first thing to take note of is the fact that it is under $15 a month when you pay upfront for your subscription. I think as a program which will allow you to design all of your marketing materials in-house and store all of your documentation, it is an absolute steal. You also have access to everything on the platform, which, as you can see, has literally millions of audio, photos, and videos to use, and almost 500,000 free templates. My favorite features of paid accounts include the ability to create folders to store and organize different designs, upload a brand kit so that you have easy access to your logo, brand elements, fonts, and colors, create animations and simple videos, edit images like a pro, included unlimited use of the background remover tool, quickly and easily resize your designs with the magic resize tool, which saves you a ton of time and hassle, and also create templates to share with your VAs, team members, or other businesses who work with you on your biz. Now, let's take a quick look inside a free account in Canva to see firsthand what it can and can't do. Let's call this a super quick overview of all of its main features. If you are new to Canva, this is what your home screen looks like within the program. On the left are quick links to all your designs in your account that have been shared by others, your brand kit, your team, your folders, and the trash. In a free account, you will see that when you click on the brand kit, that you won't be able to add any logos or assign any fonts to the different typography styles. But it does, for some strange reason, allow you to upload up to 3 colors that you can use consistently across your designs. It is the same within the folders section, which unfortunately only lets you create a couple of folders to organize all of your designs. Now, let's take a look at the functions within the design section. To make a new design, you can click at the top of the screen to start a new design from scratch. Let's choose an Instagram post. From the menu on the left, you can then choose a design from one of the free templates available, or, as we are going to do today, we are going to work with a pre-created design template from our all-class range. With free accounts, you are still able to upload your own videos and files if you need, which you can just drag and drop into this section. And it also allows you to search from a huge range of images from its database. Although you will find a lot of the higher quality images are only available on a pro account that you will have to purchase separately. Let's start having a play with this tile and making it our own. You will see that the 3 colors from the brand kit has been added below here, and Canva has also pulled out the colors from the images to give us an alternative color palette to work with if we need it. You can then go and add embellishments from the elements section to your design if you need. Seeing as I'm a naturalist, I'm going to keep my design nice and minimal. In the text area, you will also see that you can add heading, subheadings, or body text styling to the slide. But unfortunately, any changes you make to this text will have to be done slide to slide. Free accounts don't give you the option to save this information to reuse over and over, which can definitely be a pain when you are trying to create lots of consistent looking marketing material. If we then want to add animation to the slide, you will see that only the first basic options are available. And if you want to add music, there is also little choice available. Much like the photos, when you search for something particular, most of the quality options are also extra. When you want to use and download a finished file, you can download your designs in all the normal formats with the exception of SVG, which is only available with Pro accounts. As you can see, the free account still has a decent functionality, but it can be super limiting and time consuming for business owners. Now, if we jump into the Pro account, let's walk through the differences. As you can see on our left menu from our home screen, we are now able to jump into the brand kit and upload all of our brand assets, our full color palette, and brand fonts for a consistent feel to use across all of our designs. We are also now able to create folders to ensure that our designs are all easy to find and source. You will also be able to schedule in your social media posts in the Content Planner section within your Pro account if you feel inclined. Back in our design area, you will see that all of the photos, videos, and audio options are now unlocked. There are more templates to choose from and more possibilities when it comes to perfecting your design. If we click on the color palette icon, we will be able to now see our full brand color palette. And within the text tab, you will be able to see your brand fonts ready to drag and drop into your designs. When you need to create lots of different documents for your business, this will help keep things ultra consistent across the board. If we want to add one of our brand elements to this slide, we can easily do so by scrolling down to the Folders tab and dragging and dropping one into the design. Next up, if we now want to create some movement to our slide, we have heaps of extra animation options within the Pro account. And this can all be enhanced by all of the extra audio options included as well. Even more exciting is the amazing image editing capabilities to make your images really pop. You can suss them out by clicking on your image and scrolling down within the effects panel. By far, my favorite tool available here is the background remover tool, which allows you to easily remove the backgrounds out of images in a click. It's easier than doing it in Photoshop, but shh, don't tell Adobe I said that. Now that we have perfected our design, we can then use the Smart Resize tool to quickly and easily recreate the design in other formats if you need. Lastly, if you want to create a design that needs to be in a vector format, like a logo or signage, so it can be increased to any size, in a Pro account you can now also download your files in an SVG format. That's it from me today. Thanks so much for watching. If you are keen to give Canva a try, click on the link below this video and it will take you through to their homepage where you can sign up for either a free or Pro account.